Thank you very much, members of the Fourth Estate. As you well know me as the Gen Z spokesperson. And I have to say this to the nation. You know, there's a lot of tension building in this country right now by the wave of Edwin Sifuna and the likes of Babu Owino, Kibagendi, Caleb Amisi, James Orengo. I want to state very categorically to the nation that whatever happened in Kitengela ilikuwa kionjo, hiyo ilikuwa warm up, hiyo ilikuwa rehearsal. So I want to tell these people ambao wameshikwa na joto mingi wanastuka hii mambo ya Sifuna. Mimi nataka niwaambie pale Kakamega will be a tsunami. The Kenyan people are going to arrive there like a tornado. It is going to be a big shocker to the nation. I want to tell those people who are thinking they are going to intimidate the youthful leadership that the Kenyan people have decided to follow, that of Edwin Sifuna, Babu Owino. I want to tell these leaders, including the Senate of Nairobi, Edwin Sifuna, that you have surpassed the level of becoming a Secretary General in ODM. We are waiting for the next meeting for you to be installed as a party leader. I want to tell Babu Owino, wachana na kiti ya Nairobi. You have surpassed that level. We want you in the national government. We are going to transform this country in 2027. Msikuwe na wasiwasi. Hii maneno bado. Hii ni kionjo. Kakamega after Kakamega, people are going to Nyanza. And when they will arrive in Nyanza, that is when you will know the people of Nyanza are not in support of this broad-based government. That is when you will know that the people of Luo Nyanza are behind the youthful nation, behind the one who has taken the spirit of Baba Raila Amolo Odinga, which is known as Juogi. The Juogi right now is swimming inside Edwin Sifuna, is swimming inside Babu Owino, is swimming inside Caleb Amisi, is swimming inside James Orengo. Those who are disputing James Orengo, disputing Babu Owino, disputing Edwin Sifuna, you are lost. I want to tell those people who are now saying, I have heard Gladys Wanga yesterday was saying that Babu Owino is making noise because he wants to become the governor of Nairobi. At Edwin Sifuna is making noise because he wants to retain his seat as the senator of Nairobi. I want to tell you Gladys Wanga, focus on the issues of Homa Bay County. Wewe siasa ya Nairobi hauwezani nayo. Kama siasa ya Homa Bay imekushinda, sasa siasa ya Nairobi utaweza aje? So I want to tell these people within broad-based government, Oburu Odinga. Oburu Odinga is telling us, no. We are telling you back, no. We are not going to follow you, Oburu Odinga. That no should be given to you. We are telling you, no. This time around Luos hatutapangwa. Round hii sisi ndo tunawapanga. Baba Raila Amolo Odinga alitupanga, sisi tufuate mzee mwingine ambaye alikuwa hata older than Raila Amolo Odinga, has no political experience. Mtu wa 90 years. Akuje sasa apange Wajaluo. And yet, and I want to tell those people who are saying that kina Babu Owino should turn down the line, they should listen to older people. I want to tell you, Oburu Odinga, what have you done for the people of Luo Nyanza? What have you done? So that you can come and tell us here that, oh, sijui, we should now listen to you. You have done nothing. There is nothing you have done for the people of Siaya County. There is no oversight you have done in Siaya County. Nothing. No political experience, no political acumen, and you want to unataka kupanga Wajaluo. Mara unataka kiti ya deputy, mara wewe ni youth leader, mara wewe ni party leader, mara sijui unataka kunegotiate. Who are you negotiating on behalf of? Who are you negotiating on behalf of? Oscar Sudi knows, if Oscar Sudi is in President William Ruto's government, and he knows the wave of Sifuna, he knows that Sifuna has left with the Kenyan people. Sasa wewe Oburu, hiyo kura unataka kupelekea William Ruto utatoa wapi? If you cannot convince people of Siaya County, how will you convince the entire nation? How will you convince ODM supporters to vote for ODM party? And I want to tell you people, we are waiting for that next meeting. We want to install the new leadership in ODM. We are not going to negotiate, or we are not going to agree with kina Oburu Odinga, with kina Juliet Mohammed, with kina Gladys Wanga, with kina Ali Hassan Joho. We are not going to agree with those people. The only agreement is this: they should join UDA party and leave ODM for the young thugs like Babu Owino, Edwin Sifuna. That is the agreement we have with those people. But otherwise, we are not going to agree with those people. I want to say this on matters of Nairobi. I want to tell Governor Johnson Sakaja. Governor Johnson Sakaja, you have now delegated power to the national government. Now that you have delegated the power to the national government, it seems you have no duty. It is like you are now a ceremonial governor in Nairobi County. It is now like status is now controlling everything. It is now that you have now added, umeongezea rais majukumu. Umemwongezea rais majukumu ya nchi, sasa umemwongezea majukumu ya Nairobi. I want to tell you, umetusaidia sana. You have now shown the people of Nairobi, that you have now relieved yourself from the duties of Nairobi. Now we are going to bring Babu Owino, the young tax, to take over the leadership of Nairobi. But I want to advise Babu Owino, you go for the national discourse of this country. We want to see you either in the presidency or the deputy presidency. But the issues of Nairobi, wachana nayo. Now we are going to follow Edwin Sifuna, Babu Owino. No one else. Period. Thank you very much.